Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I really wish that middle schools and high schools in this country would stop doing fire drills because older students already know what to do when there is a fire in the school because of all the practice they got in preschool and in elementary school. Keep these drills for preschools and elementary schools, but for middle schools and high schools, we need to stop with all of these drills. The reason why I say keep these drills for preschools and elementary schools is because it will teach younger kids what to do when there is a fire in the school and know how to respond when a fire alarm sounds. It's fine for that age, but once we get to middle school and high school, we need to stop with all of these drills because older students already know what to do when there's a fire in the school and already know how to respond when they hear the sound of a fire alarm. All these drills do in middle school and in high school waste time for no reason, scare people for no reason, and all of that. All because it's just a drill. And these drills will cause people to go out in bad weather for no reason. It's just a drill. And we need to ban horn strobes from schools. Every school should have a voice evacuation system instead of horn strobes for the fire alarm. Voice evacuation systems, aka speaker strobes, particularly in elementary schools, because elementary schoolers are so scared of horns going off when an alarm sounds. Little kids do not like these blaring horns in their schools. Every time that an alarm sounded in my school, it was a very loud horn. That is how it was during my life as a student in Fairfax County Public Schools in Northern Virginia, is that every school I went to, fire alarm went off, it was a very loud horn. That is how drills were in my life. In elementary school, when the alarm went off, it was it was like that. And that was annoying. That was an annoying buzz. It was a constant buzzer in elementary school, the fire alarm. I am serious. Every time there was a fire drill in elementary school, the alarm sounded like this. I am serious. That is how alarm systems in those buildings were before 1996. Now, 1996 through now and into the future, alarm systems for fire emergencies are eh, 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 eh. That is how fire evacuation tones have changed since the 1990s. And some alarms were like in some buildings, but mostly fire alarms are and pre-1996 fire alarm. Post 1996 fire alarm. Yep. Fire alarm evacuation signals have definitely changed over the years. From a constant tone to a temporal cycle.